Good day my viewers, in this tutorial I'm going to be showing you how to do a class average generator. So let's begin. First of all, we're going to go over here and include our standard library. Include iostream. Now this is to tell the preprocess so that we are going to be using input and output. We're going to include another one this time. We're going to include, I knew it, okay, sorry, include. Then we're gonna say iomanip. This will help us use things like perception as a center, decimal place ones, set iOS flags, different things like that. Then we go through using namespace. Now namespace, not place here. Namespace std to tell the computer that we're using the standard library. Namespace std here. Now we're gonna go to our main function. Int main. Now what should be under this main function? Now this is where we're going to declare all our variables. So we're going to say int, and the first variable we're going to declare is the grade. You want to know the grade, right? Comma. The second variable we're going to declare is the total. That's the total of all our grades. Right? The third variable we're going to become what's going to be counting our name. Should we name it okay, let's name it counter, because we're going to count all our grades for us, right? Then we're going to go here and say double. I prefer using double. I love using double. You can change float average. Now I'm trying using double average for this. So next we're gonna initialize our variables. So we'll go over here. How you do that? Just here. Say total is equals to 0. Counter is equals to 0. Yeah, so I've been trying to initialize everything. So now next is for me to say cout. Yep, do this. This is the next thing for me to do. Then I'm done with printing out this. So now we say enter. Wow, grade is not equals to -1. You actually, your class average can't be -1. Your average can't be -1. Why will it be -1? Are you that dumb? My average is equals to -1. So you're gonna say total is equals to total plus grade. That's actually total plus equals to grade. Good. That's what it means here. Then counter is equals to counter plus 1, because adding the normal times it counts. But let's just do counter plus equals to 1. It means the same thing actually. The shortest form to do that, because when you're doing your programs you have to do this, find the shortest way to do your things. So counter equals counter plus 1. Then write down this. Good. So now it's just say enter grade and taking grade. That's all it does. So now we're gonna go to the if statement. We're gonna say if grade, that's the what we're counting of grade. If counter is not equals to 0. So now you should say, now you see here, this is how you want this to work. Now if we're using this counter, now we want to know calculate our average. You know, if you use 0, everything turns out back to 0, right? Anything times 0 is 0. So if counter is not equals to 0, if there's a value there, because if it's equals to 0, then you should print out. If there's no value there, then else what you should do for us is that you should just tell us, you should print out no one sat for the exam. Sat for the exams. Good. Just that you know what sat for the exams, then you should print a new line. Good. That's what I should do for you. So, but now if the counter is not equals to 0, what should it do for you? Simple. The simple thing you should do for you should tell you that the average is equals to, now this is one of the things that we need, static cast. Now this is to tell you we're going to change the total from a double, from an integer to a double using static cast. And the total was an integer before, right? But now we're going to change to double. Oh, they missed something here. Yeah, I missed it. Double divided by counter. then I'll put my semicolon. So now we're gonna say this divided by counter. We're changing it into a double now. Divided by counter. Then we're gonna say C out. What should it say? The class average is, then give space, then do this, then set precision. This is one of the things that the IO stream is used for. IO stream did set precision to, let's set up precision. Class average usually set precision to 2, but I love setting my own to 3. Let's just set it to 1. Actually, set it 3. I prefer 3. So now you're gonna have 3 decimal. You're gonna be in 3 decimal places. That's what this expression is for. Then we set iOS flags. Good. So we're gonna set it to iOS fixed and iOS show point. So we're gonna set it to iOS fixed and iOS show point. These are types of output. We will share our output. So iOS fixed. Then use this line here. See, for you see IOX show point. Then next, very simple, just go here and say show point at average. That's all. Then you give a new line. And after that, we have to show that the code has been executed successfully. You say return 0. So that's as simple as that. So we now debug the code. So simple, go to F5. That's the fastest way to debug your code. You debug your F5, then you're gonna debug, take its time, look for built-in errors, the build and start, okay, the build is succeeded. So now integrate. I want to take the class average 43, 45, 33, I go for 3 again, 66, 84, 19. Now the average is 71.125. So if I set my position up to 1, you're gonna see 71, approximately 71.1, because it's gonna add all these values, then give you the answer in class average. Thank you for watching my tutorial. If you see anything, like, subscribe, share with friends, click the thumbs up button for me, subscribe, ring the bell for me over here, share with your friends, share it with more people, and then watch it and then subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you next time.